Hi, Student Beaver. This is your librarian, Diane. So I'm going to show you how to access Academic Search Complete and how to search multiple databases. In this case, you wanted to use PsycInfo. So what you're going to do is from the One Search page, you're going to scroll down and select Articles and Databases. This will open up the A through Z databases. And for this example, I'm just going to go to Academic Search Complete. So Academic Search Complete is here, which would look like this. And then if you look right here at the top where it says Searching Academic Search Complete, you're actually going to select Choose Databases. So in Choose Databases, you'll see this long list of different options. And then PsycInfo will be right about halfway down the page. It's actually called APA PsycInfo. And you could scroll down or up and select OK. Once you select OK, you will see here at the top it is searching Academic Search Complete as well as APA PsycInfo. And then you'll go ahead and enter your search query and search. Enter any modifiers, limiters down here, and then complete your search by selecting the search button at the bottom of the page or up here at the top of the page.